welcome back to the channel. We are really happy to have you here today. So, how are you doing, Lily? Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I am fine, just fine. But honestly, I feel a bit like a robot today. A robot? Why would you say that? Did something strange happen? Ha ha ha! No, nothing like that. I just mean my daily life feels exactly the same every day. I wake up, have coffee, go to work, come back and sleep. Everything feels automatic. I understand. A lot of people feels like that sometimes. Daily routines can become a bit repetitive, right? Yes, exactly. It feels like I am doing the same things again and again. Same wake up time, same breakfast, same people. Well, that actually sounds like a perfect topic for today. We are going to talk about daily life, but in a more interesting way. Oh, really? Is there anything exciting about waking up early? Because I definitely missed it today. Maybe not exciting, but we can talk about how we feel during the day and how small changes can improve things. I like that idea. Small changes sound much easier than big ones, especially in the morning. Exactly. So let's start from the beginning, Lily. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Well, my alarm rings at 6:30 and it's very loud and annoying. I don't like loud alarms either. Do you get up right away? Not at all. I stay in bed and check my phone. I think I spend around 20 or even 30 minutes on it. Wow, that's quite a lot. What do you usually look at? Mostly news, social media, emails, but honestly, it doesn't make me feel good. It just makes me feel busy before my day even starts. That's very true. I used to do the same thing. It feels like your mind is already working too fast while your body is still resting. Exactly. And then suddenly I realize I am late. So I jump out of bed and rush to get ready. That sounds like a very fast routine. Do you at least have time for a breakfast? Just toast. And I usually eat it while putting on my shoes. That sounds stressful, not relaxing at all. No wonder you feel like a robot. I know, but I have to reach work by 8:30. Let's think about it. What if you changed just one thing, like not checking your phone? Not checking my phone, then what would I do for 30 minutes? You could just sit quietly, look outside, or listen to sounds around you. Listen to sounds? I live in the city. I mostly hear traffic and buses. Still, that's better than starting your day with stress, don't you think? Maybe you are right. At least I will enjoy my breakfast properly. Exactly, that's a small success. You are choosing your own thoughts instead of filling your mind with others. I like that idea, choosing my own thoughts. So, after that, you go to work. How do you get there? I take the bus. It usually crowded and everyone is on their phones. And how do you feel when you arrive? Honestly, already a bit tired. I greet my colleagues, Tom and Sarah. Oh, yes, Tom is the funny one and Sarah is the quiet one, right? Yes, that's right. But then we all just sit and start working, typing all day. Do you take breaks during work? I have lunch at noon, but I usually eat at my desk while working. Oh no, that's not really a break. Your brain is still active. I know, but I have a lot of work to finish. Still, if you take even 20 minutes to walk outside, your mind will feel refreshed. Really? Walking helps that much? Yes, it's like restarting your brain. Fresh air, open space, it helps a lot. Hmm, there is a small park near my office. Maybe I can try eating lunch there? That's a great idea. Park lunch sounds almost like a mini vacation. Exactly, you are already becoming less robotic. Yes, it's about being present, right? Exactly, being present in the moment. Wait, before we continue, if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, and share this with someone learning English and comment routine if you are still listening. So, what about your afternoon, Lily? That's when I feel the most tired, around 3 pm. The famous afternoon slump. Yes, I feel like drinking lots of coffee or just sleeping. Please don't sleep at work. So, what do you do instead? I drink water and stretched a little. That's actually very helpful. Yes, just simple stretching it improves circulation. Good idea. Sarah might think I am strange though. She's quiet. She won't say anything. And what about you, Emma? I usually work from home and I like listening to music in the afternoon. Music really changes the mood. Yes, and at 5 pm I stop working completely. That's important. Yes, I close my laptop so my brain knows work is finished. I struggle with that. I keep thinking about work. That's why you need a finish rituals. Are rituals like a ceremony? Not exactly. For me, it's changing clothes. That makes sense. It helps your mind relax. So, what do you do in the evening? I usually watch TV and eat dinner. That sounds relaxing, but maybe too passive. Yes, I feel like I am just waiting for the next day. Try doing something creative or enjoyable. Like what? I am not an artist. You don't have to be. You can cook, read, or listen to English like this podcast. Exactly. It's not work, it's growth. I really like that line. We often wait for weekends, but every day matters. Yes, every day has value. Let me summarize my new routine. No in the morning, eat calmly, take a walk during lunch, stretch in the afternoon, change clothes after work, spend time learning. That sounds like a great lifestyle. And if I fail sometimes, that's okay. You are human, not a machine. If your morning goes wrong, try to improve your afternoon. That's a great way to think. Thank you everyone for listening today. We hope this helps you improve both your English and your daily life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Tell us in the comments, what will you change in your routine? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day and don't be a robot. Bye everyone.